Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this light that's going to go around your rim. It's going to fluorescent and illuminate different colors. It's going to look really neat at night. So for anyone that wants to get some shots up or play at night, you're going to be able to see the rim extremely well. Now let me show you how it works. So you've got your remote here. We've got it installed. It comes with a lot of little zip ties as well as some bigger ones if you need to wrap it around different parts of the rim. We took ours to the inside and wrapped a little around the outside here so that way it can stay on the inside on the back and the outside on the front. That way you can still have the visual when you're out here playing, which is really, really nice. You've got your box here. We're gonna attach that with a 3M sticker and we'll be ready to go. So really, really nice, highly recommend it. We're gonna go ahead and check it out and see how it does.